Good morning, everyone. We've got a good one for you today. AutoOne sent me this system so I can try it out. Air compressor for your bikes, tires, and things like that. And it's also a battery jumper. It also has an SOS or a flashlight in the event you do need that. This does charge with a USB Type-C, which is awesome, which basically almost everything nowadays is USB-C. And it's also a battery bank, so if you ever need to charge your phone in an emergency situation, this will be the system that you're going to need. When you get it, it's going to be charged only with 2 bars, so you always want to keep this thing charged up all the way. For every time you start a battery, you want this thing to be fully charged all the way to 4 bars. You never want it to be on the 2 bar. But anyway, this is a pretty cool system, so I'm going to do a couple of tests. When my battery dies, or I need to inflate the tires in my kids' bike or the ball, this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to have that test after this couple of videos. I've been using this quite a bit, been testing it out, making sure everything works before I even post a video. I definitely approve this unit, works well, inflates anything that I wanted to inflate pretty quick. Like I said, if you are not using this, just go ahead and charge it every 2 to 3 months just to make sure the battery is full. So in an event you do need it, especially jumping a car battery, it'll be fully topped off. Like I said, it is charging via USB now. Like I said, I've been using it, inflating all my bikes, all my kids' ball. Even, like I said, that jumpstart my truck when it was fully dead. So shout out to AutoOne for sending me this out. Here's all what it comes with. The jumper cables for big batteries for your vehicle. Also come with these 4 inflating attachments, USB cable, the nozzle, and obviously the bag, which is going to stay in one of my vehicles for emergency purposes. So we're going to go ahead and do a couple of tests from the dead battery to a deflated ball and also a bike, just to show you how it works. The battery in the Tundra is pretty much dead, so I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the AutoOne jumper cable, go to the engine bay, and see if we can get this thing to fire up. Go ahead and hook up the positive and negative terminal. Once you get everything plugged in, leave it for about 30 seconds, get it to fire up. It's been sitting for a little bit, now it's flashing, so we're going to go ahead and test it out and see if it cranks over. Voila! The battery jumper did quite well. I was actually surprised that it started it. So now it actually dropped down a little bit on the battery level. So we're going to go ahead and plug it back in and get it charged up and throw it back in the Tundra for the emergency purpose. We've dropped down 2 bars trying to start the truck. Always keep this thing charged up. If you haven't used it in like 2 to 3 months, go ahead and throw it in on a charger. It charges via USB and get it charged back up. Not that you've seen a couple of tests. I'm definitely going to keep this in my Tundra since I'm going to be driving that a lot. Also, in an event somebody else needs to be jump started, I'm going to have it ready. So overall, I do like this Auto One system. It does inflate my tire pretty quick. It does jump start a big Tundra vehicle, which that's a pretty big truck. So for it to start like that, I definitely highly recommend it. So shout out to Auto One for sending me this. I'm going to have a coupon code Flipside Garage for 20% off. Other than that, that's all we got for today.